Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is How Fast. Derek and I are here with our good buddy Church.
Yeah, mate.
And we're going to head out to London today, and we're going to check out a car show. I know we said we'd bring you content for car shows around Chatham, Kent, but let's be honest, it's only 45 minutes from here. We're 45 minutes from Windsor. It's a ton of really great car shows in this area, so we might as well hit this one up and show you guys what's going on. And actually, kind of as a little side thing, we were talking about in the last video about How Fast family members. So Derek's actually on the hunt for a new car right now. So if anybody knows of any really great deals on some really cool cars or trucks, hit us up. And also a cousin to the family is Church's Subi here. That's a nice car. Yeah. So we're gonna hit the road right now. We'll catch up with you guys in a minute.
Come on, guys. Stopping at the en route. Need some go-go juice and some wake-up juice.
Timmy's Fuel.
Little Timmy's Fuel. Coming up to the Western Fairgrounds, the car show. We didn't get lost this time. Hopefully we can find a parking spot.
A parking spot appropriate for me to park my car in, because I'm particular about parking spots.
Here we go. Hey guys, we made it to the Agriplex, the Western Fairgrounds, the London car show. Kind of like the Canadian Autorama, I guess you call it. Lots of cars here. Looks like there'll be lots of people. Let's go inside and check things out.
Me know this is where my heart is.
Yeah, right.
Oh wait, there's another truck over here. What's this church is found? Oh my God, I love this.
502. This guy's not messing around. Pretty cool.
Yeah, not messing around at all. This is awesome. Mid-engine. This is not far off. Looks vaguely familiar, doesn't that?
All right.
Where's Kyle
I'm
from the
going.
Boosted Boys? That looks like fun, but not as fun as that. That's just an engine and four wheels. And it's got the monsters on it for extra horsepower too. Well, one of these, Derek. Put our engine in one of these. Sit on it.
One of these?
Yeah. Oh, look at that. For my son. There you go, buddy. Hudson Motorsports.
There's no way you can fit a...
No, we couldn't fit our engine in this. There's no way. I don't think. stamp, certified ripper right there. Say goddamn. Okay, I want one of those. I want one of those. And I want one of those too. What's that?
Pit cars.
Pit cars, yeah, get around the pits around, eh? This place just got way better. Beer on the floor, wonderful. Derek picked up, there's a whole bunch of dried meats and all sorts of vendors and stuff here. Derek picked up some
Venison sausage, some salami, hot pepperettes.
We are fed for the way home as well. Wonderful. Oh, what do we got here? Let's get a whole new chassis right straight from scratch. Mom, you remember mine? Never looked this good. right up your alley. Got to get that in the back of the soup. Rear suspension. Okay, guys, that's going to do it for the car show here in London.
Yeah, good turnout. Lots of awesome cars, and nice shop for some custom meat.
Yeah, and you know, be sure, guys, to like and subscribe. Over the next couple weeks, we're going to have the damper pulled off. We're going to go and hopefully see our good friend Randy. He's going to help us with some bearings, which we've got coming in. So over the next week or two, you're going to see some car parts coming in, and we want to show you guys what we got. So stay tuned. And we'll see how fast we can make our car go.